Meaning of Greater Sudbury.
Greater Sudbury.
Greater Sudbury.
Greater Sudbury.
Greater Sudbury. Greater Sudbury is the name of a city located in Ontario, Canada. The name was given to the city in 2001 when the former city of Sudbury merged with several surrounding municipalities. The word greater implies that the city is larger than just the original city of Sudbury. This area is known for its rich deposits of minerals such as copper, nickel, and gold. The economy is heavily reliant on mining and related industries. The city is also known for its lush green spaces, lakes, and forests which attract tourists and outdoor enthusiasts alike.